This is to be one of the most arrogant displays I've seen in a courtroom in a long time. The defendant shows little to no respect for authority, despite the fact that he's facing up to 2 years behind bars for allegedly stealing a car. On top of that, the case even brought up his street name, which only added more weight to the hearing. Judge Boyd came in prepared, armed with documents and facts, ready to cut through every excuse from the very beginning. The tone was tense. Instead of taking the chance to show some humility, he leaned hard into attitude, as if he believed he could out-talk the entire court. The longer it went on, the clearer it became. This wasn't someone trying to prove innocence. It was someone trying to bluff their way past accountability. So what do you think? Was he being honest about not being tied to a gang? Or was this just another attempt to play the system? Let's get into how this hearing unfolded. From the very start, Judge Boyd had this defendant cornered. According to the police report, a firearm was allegedly involved, though that particular charge didn't end up sticking. which definitely makes you raise an eyebrow. Still, instead of showing any concern, he sat there smiling and laughing like this was just a casual meetup instead of a serious criminal hearing. That kind of body language speaks volumes, and it's clear he wasn't treating the situation with the gravity it deserved. Keep in mind, he's staring down the possibility of 2 years in jail for taking someone else's car, yet his demeanor made it seem like this was just another item on his weekly calendar. The irony: he claimed to be a car dealer by trade, so the very thing tied to his livelihood is now at the center of the case against him. That's the kind of detail prosecutors don't miss. What stood out even more was the way he leaned back, smiked, and glanced at the gallery, almost as if he was more focused on appearances than on avoiding prison. But in court, swagger doesn't count for much. Judges aren't moved by image, they are moved by facts, evidence, and compliance. And that's where the wake-up call from Judge Boyd was about to land. Did he really just say period to the judge? That alone shows he has no sense of how serious the situation is. At first, I thought maybe the whole street name talk was exaggerated, maybe just a harmless nickname. But the longer he spoke, the clearer it became. He wasn't helping his credibility at all. Even his so-called mobile detailing business turned out to be little more than driving cars to a wash and calling it a company. That wouldn't be such a big deal if he wasn't using it to paint himself as a hard-working family man. But when every other statement comes out as slang, side comments, or subtle jabs, the image falls apart quickly. It's not only about his words, it's his tone, his posture, the constant sense that he doesn't take the process seriously. And that's the real issue. If he can't stay respectful and professional for 10 minutes in front of a judge, how is he supposed to follow strict probation rules for years? That gap between attitude and reality says more than anything else is claimed in court. I'll be honest, I don't see this guy staying out of trouble. What do you think? Drop your thoughts below. But from the way he carries himself, it feels almost certain the court will see him again. And that's not exaggeration, it's just how he presents himself. Like rules are more of a suggestion than something to live by. The part that really hit me during this hearing was learning he has an 8-year-old daughter. Instead of showing her what responsibility looks like, he seems more invested in maintaining an image tied to the streets than building stability at home. That's the ripple effect of cases like this. It's not only about the defendant, it's about the family left in the wake of those choices that you'd think the threat of jail time would spark some kind of change, but his attitude in court didn't suggest growth or accountability. Judge Boyd gave him every chance to present himself in a better light, but he didn't take it. And at some point, the justice system can only go so far. The rest depends on him. So what do you think? Was this the last time we'll see him in court? Or just the beginning of a cycle? Thanks so much for tuning in. And if you enjoy these courtroom breakdowns, don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care, everyone.